Bengaluru's suburban rail network, envisioned to ease the city's traffic woes, has been a long-awaited development. The Mallige line, or Corridor C2 connecting Bayappanahalli to Chikkabnavara, is intended to serve as a major backbone of this network. However, after nearly 2 years, the pace of progress has raised concerns. This 25-kilometer corridor, overseen by CRIDE, the agency spearheading the Bengaluru Suburban Railway project, was initially slated for completion by the end of 2025. Recently, however, the timeline has been revised to mid-2026. L&T, the contract-winning firm, has the task of designing and constructing an elevated viaduct of 8.02 kilometers. Their responsibilities include building ramps, road over bridges, ROBs, road under bridges, RUBs, minor and major bridges, retaining walls, and utility shifting, excluding station buildings. The C2 line alternates between elevated and at-grade sections, rising after Jalahalli and continuing elevated through Yeshwantpur to Matikere. From Hebbal to Kasturingar, it runs at ground level, then elevates again toward Bayappanahalli. As of the latest reports, construction has picked up along the corridor, with 330 piles completed and electrical utility shifting done from Yeshwantpur to Chikkabnavara. However, the slow pace continues to be a concern. The project has encountered various challenges, including land encroachments and interdepartmental coordination issues. During a recent review, Chief Secretary officials pointed to these issues, while some blame has also been directed at the contractor for the lack of on-ground progress. CRIDE has floated tenders for constructing 8 new stations along the Mallige line, with a budget of 455 crore rupees. Firms like Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, ITD Cementation, Soma, and Shankar Narayan Constructions have shown interest, with a decision expected soon. Alongside these 8 stations, Phase C2B is set to bring 4 more, with a budget of 477 crore rupees. This includes stations at Yeshwantpur, Shettihalli, Madrahalli, and Chikkabnavara, strengthening the suburban rail network's connectivity. CRIDE has faced setbacks in procuring coaches. With no bidders for leasing, they decided to directly purchase metro-like air-conditioned coaches, each carrying up to 300 passengers. This delay in coach procurement further challenges project timelines. Despite the revised target of December 2026, the project's slow pace suggests even this might be difficult to meet. And while work on the Mallige line has progressed, other corridors like C4 are only starting, with C1 and C3 still in initial phases. Netizens and activists have voiced concerns, wondering if the suburban rail project will fulfill its promise of easing Bengaluru's traffic woes in time. With ongoing developments and rising public interest, we'll bring you the latest updates. Follow Bengaluru Post as we continue covering Bengaluru's journey toward a better connected future.